Nature of gopis' love for Krishna. The love of the gopis was like the attachment of a woman to her paramour. They were intoxicated with ecstatic love for Sri Krishna. A woman cherishing illicit love is not very keen about her own husband. If she is told that her husband has come, she will say, "What if he has? There is food in the kitchen. He can help himself." But if she is told of the arrival of a stranger jovial, handsome, and witty, she will run to see him and peep at him from behind a screen. You may raise an objection and say, "We have not seen God. How can we feel attracted to him as the gopis felt attracted to Krishna?" But it is possible. I do not know him. I have only heard his name, and that has fixed my mind upon him. A devotee. Sir, what is the significance of Sri Krishna's stealing the gopis' clothes? Master, there are 8 fetters that bind a person to the world. The gopis were free from all but one. Shame. Therefore Krishna freed them from that one. 2. By taking away their clothes. On attaining God, one gets rid of all fetters. To Mahendra Mukherjee and the others. By no means all people feel attracted to God. There are special souls who feel so. To love God, one must be born with good tendencies. Otherwise, why should you alone of all the people of Bagbazar come here? You can't expect anything good in a dunghill. The touch of the Malaya breeze turns all trees into sandal wood. No doubt, but there are a few exceptions: the banyan, the cotton tree, and the aswatha. For example, to the Mukherjee brothers, you are well off. If a man slips from the path of yoga, then he is reborn in a prosperous family and starts again his spiritual practice for the realization of God. Quote,